Hey guys, my name's Alex.
I'm Daniel, how you doing?
And we're in YCS. YCS is a great opportunity for students to do something for their school, don't you agree, Daniel?
Yes, I do. Well, today we started Multicultural Day, and which was a great event. Everyone, hello.
Everyone helped out in our country today as we had cultures all over the world. We had 17 different countries in the shed for one day only, and it was just great fun.
It was great fun, and then towards the end we had a little bit of fun. Now we're cleaning up, which was great.
And I think that's why we joined YCS today.
Just for the enjoyment.
Just for enjoyment. And the money goes to charity, so it's something great for everyone to be involved in.
It's a great initiative.
It's just
How do you think it helped combat racism today?
pardon,
How do you think it helped combat racism?
Racism, it builds the cultures together.
It does.
Because as you can see now, he is my best friend, it builds the cultures together. We have Australians buying Indian food, and we just get to...
We have Italians buying Croatians.
Just get to witness great cultures in one.
What do you think, Mitch?
Good stuff.